So I'd never traded before until I went on the course with Ifty and Louise, and as a novice, of somebody who'd never been within this industry before, a couple of things really stood out to me, and one of them being their processes of how to trade safely, which is something that I hadn't really seen many other companies kind of put out there. They were so big on making sure you trade safely, having processes in place, having rules, making sure you're managing your risk. And that was the theme throughout the 5 days on the course, which, as I say, was a breath of fresh air, and I think was a really, really positive point from it. The course itself was fantastic, so well put together. The packet you get within it, easy to follow within the course. The presentations were great, really easy to understand, very simple, and easily understandable by Ifty and Louise's tutoring. They're fantastic teachers. They dumb it down to a level where we can all understand it and then progress up from there. So it really is, they make it very simple to understand. And as a coach myself, I can really appreciate that trait in coaches and tutors and teachers, and that, you know, their passion really came across, and how much they care really does show beyond the course because of the aftercare they've shown within the CLiK trading community, which has now kind of developed over the last year, where the level of support both Ifty and Louise have shown us all has been really, really fantastic. You second to none, I would say, in terms of, again, being a coach and knowing how much the aftercare means. It's been really, really good. The WhatsApp group is always thriving with messages, with us helping each other out, with Ifty and Louise helping us out. It's been, really, really good, and a really good thing to be a part of. So much so that you continue to learn beyond the course, which has been great. And I now sit as a funded account holder with Pip Farm, sat 3% up on that account. Again, going back to following the rules, the processes that Ifty and Louise have set out, and making sure that risk management is in place. And it's been a really, really good journey to here. So I would definitely recommend the course. Presentations are fantastic. Ifty and Louise are brilliant. If you're thinking about coming and joining the CLiK trading community, and you're somebody like me who's never done it before, I wouldn't hesitate in looking at coming on and being a part of it. Ifty and Louise are brilliant. They'll hold your hand through everything that you need to, and the level of support that they show after is brilliant.